adding texture with Daniel Smith Lunar Black watercolors.
Go!
Hey, Marieke Blokland here from Bloknote.nl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk a little bit more about texture, and today I am talking about creating a texture with Lunar Black watercolors. If you are working with my 10 steps art journal method, you probably know this one by now, because it is for me an important step to add some texture to the page. And one of my favorite ways to add texture is by using this watercolor called Lunar Black by Daniel Smith. Lunar Black is a watercolor, so I only use it as a top layer because it stays reactive to water. Let me see, I've used it here a bit as well along this doll. I'm going to look for a page where I can show you this wonderful paint. Take a different journal. Yeah, I think this one is a perfect page to demonstrate this paint. First I apply a layer of clean, clear water. Next I add the Lunar Black by Daniel Smith. So I painted parts of this page with the black watercolors, the Lunar Black watercolors, and as you see it is not an opaque black. I love this texture that the Lunar Black watercolors give to the page. Underneath is a layer of acrylic paint, and you see that where there is white gesso here, the layer is different than where there is no gesso. So this is where the paper is, and this is where acrylic paint is, and then here is nothing. So the paint reacts to the surface underneath it. And I really love that weird texture that the Lunar Black watercolors give to my pages. So I work with that a lot, and I love that texture. So texture is one of the 10 steps of my raw and quirky art method that I am sharing a lot of at the moment, and I want to share more about it in the future as well, as I believe that with these 10 steps of the raw and quirky art method you can be really expressive and productive in your art journals in a fun and easy way. I developed this method especially for people who have either little time or who find it hard to start, who are going through a rough time, or people who just want to develop a sort of habit, but yeah, be more productive in their art journal in an easy way. So with this method you don't have to finish pages from start to finish at once. With only very easy small steps you can start an art journal. So I really hope that you like this video about texture and the Lunar Black watercolors, and I see you again in the next video. Bye! That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You rock! Please support me by liking this video and subscribe for more quirky art inspiration and raw self-expression. Ciao!